When it comes to laundry rooms, many laundry rooms put in by a standard builder will have wire shelving. There'll be a couple of shelves, and usually doesn't look very neat, and it's usually a little hard to use because the wire shelves that are put up on the wall are usually 12 inches deep. So in a more customized design for a laundry room, usually what we recommend to do is these cabinets here, either to go 16 inches deep or 19 inches deep. So especially if somebody's smaller, this is a lot closer to them being able to grab things, so things aren't as far back as they would be with, let's say, the standard 12-inch deep. And then the other thing is, it's nice to put, if you can, put things behind closed doors. These handles could have been, this one was centered. A lot of times, especially if somebody was smaller, I probably would have actually put them lower. We did put a little trim over there. That was really just more to make it look more of a finished look. Now this cabinet here was purposely made deeper so that there was a lot of room back in there for laundry detergents and irons and things like that. And it didn't, feel like it was going to be so indented in. And then the hanging rods here, so if you're taking something wet out of the washer, you can put it over the sink over here, and it can drip dry right into the sink with a little bit of a shelf above. So this is really kind of a simple design, but it looks clean and neat, yet it functions very well. And if you want to learn more, you can go to innovatehomeorg.com at 614-545-6888. Again, 614-545-6888. Thanks so much.